when we opened in the space. Like it was very quickly maxed out. But we had this continual issue of, burning pizzas, missing timers. Once you get busy, there's this like total chaos when you've got lots of different things beating at the same time, and I had to be able to solve it somehow. I'm not sure when we opened, I might have had like one timer or something, just a little manual kitchen timer. I don't know if you're familiar with those white little kitchen timers, but they're not like backlit or anything, so you can't see instantly which one is going off. So I began looking at a custom app timer. Every time a pizza goes in, some of the heat gets taken out off the stone and so on. So the timers became a way of really managing everything and managing how we use the oven temperature. We evolve pretty quickly here. As we need, we can tweak it, which is really handy working with Foxbyte. We changed the timer to allow for basically to create more locations in the oven so that stone heat is shared across more spaces. And it was like really overnight a game changer, and a major change like overnight, just by not changing the way we cook or make pizzas or work, but just by changing the timer we were going, let's say, 50% faster.